Greetings to all. My name is Paul John, and this is my seventh exercise in the compiler system software and compilers lab. And this lab is all about predictive browser. And I'm using Java programming language to create a program that demonstrates the use of predictive parser. Basically, what a parser does, it's part of the second phase of the compiler, and that is the syntactical analysis. What does is it takes the input as of the tokens, and then it gives output of a syntax tree. Uh, Over here in the code, what I've done is I'm using scanner as equal to new scanner and all that basic stuff. And then I'm asking the user to enter the number of terminals, and I'm asking him to enter him or her to enter the number of non-terminals. And then the list of terminals is asked, and the list of non-terminals is entered, and all of these are stored respectively in arrays. And then after that, the user is asked to enter the passing table, like that is on a state and on the given input, like on a given non-terminal, when terminal comes, what happens, which state it goes to, all that details is given. And then after the whole passing table is taken in, and then the user is asked to enter the string to be passed. Now that is stored in the IP string, and the IP string is augmented with the dollar. And then a loop is started while as long as it's the IP dot is not equal to dollar, and C then the IP is split into characters using the temp, and you're initializing C is equal to C plus temp, and temp is equal to stack dot caret of stack dot length minus 1. And then if C dot equals PWS, that is I'm checking where the character is equal to that. In that case, I'm printing in the next line IP equal to IP dot substring 1 IP dot length. After all that, I'm checking for the flag, that is if flag is equal to 0, and if IP dot equals dollar and stack dot equals dollar, in that case system dot out println accepted. Else if it's not so, then I'm printing is not accepted. System.out.println invalid table or input provided. System.println, do you want to check the acceptance of the next string? That's the whole code. Now let me just try running this. I'll go with 3 terminals. So that is the passing string. Now let me just put in so that's it. My code works perfect enough. Now let me just that's it. That's the end of the code. Thank you all for watching. I'm Paul John, and this is my 7th record for the compiler and system software lab. That's it. I'll see you guys next time.